Hi, my name's Terry. I'm a jeweler's apprentice here at Walker Metalsmiths. I started across the street at the showroom, came over here, and I've been here about a year. My biggest hobby outside of what I do here is pyrographic art, and I recreate the Middle Ages in a group called the SCA. I get up into heavy armor and I fight in tournaments and mock battles. So the first piece that I wound up creating was a pendant with a turquoise in it, and I had some leaves wrapping around the face of it, and found out the next day that it sold. I had an email from a friend of mine that said, hey, I just wanted to let you know I'm the one that bought it. It was exciting to have, and I look forward to doing more pieces like that. I know I'm going to be learning skill sets along the way and building on them, and it takes time. And I'm patient, I'll stick around, and we'll figure it out. Hi, I'm Terry, and I'm glad you took some time to get to know me a little bit.